If you watched my previous video on how to install OpenClaw on Windows using Docker, then you're probably wondering how can we update it? Because whenever you click on the update button, nothing happens. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update OpenClaw in a very easy way. So get a cup of coffee and follow me along. First of all, go to the project folder that we cloned from GitHub. Open the Git Bash from this folder, and before we do anything, I just want to show you that this is actually an old version. Now what you need to do is to run this command. Once it's done, run the docker setup command, which is gonna update our current Docker image and container. Choose Yes, Quickstart, and Use Existing Values. For the AI provider, I'm going with my previous settings, OpenRouter, then Gemini 2.5 Flash Lite. No for the skills, and I'm going to skip the hooks as well. Now, since it's done, let me check our current version. As you can see, it's updated to the latest version. Now let's see our container in Docker. When the CPU is over 100% like this, that means that OpenClaw is still booting. So wait for it until it goes down because it's not gonna work if you try to open it up now. But anyway, let's try it out. As I told you, you have to wait for it. Alright, now we can refresh our browser. As you can see, it's working just fine, and the update message disappeared as well. But there is a very common issue in the comments that I want to talk about. Go to your C drive, then Users, then your username, then .openclaw folder, and open the openclaw.json file. In this file, scroll down to the gateway block. Here, some people actually don't have this controlUi block, which is causing an issue when they try to install or run OpenClaw. Actually, let me remove it and show it to you. Here I'm just restarting the container. And as you can see, it's not working. And if we check the logs, you're gonna see this error repeating over and over. It doesn't matter how many minutes or hours you wait, it's not gonna work. The solution is to add this block over here. And if we do a restart, then refresh, as you can see, it's working just fine. And that's it for today. All the commands are gonna be in the comments. See you in the next one.